Okay, and then we have some hook knives from Pinewood Forge. It's a few different shapes. They come in handy for different things. This tight one's good for cups, getting in tight places. It's kind of a medium curve. This one's definitely good all around. So you can, there we go, see that outline better. And this one here is actually a pretty big radius. It's only good for bigger spoons, but it's still handy to have. Makes for nice smooth bowls, nice tooled finish. Then you don't have to do quite so much finishing after the fact. Then we move over to the Sloyd knives. This one here is a nice little Nick Westerman. Here's a super tiny one that looks like it might be almost too small, but it's really handy. This is kind of my go-to knife for detail work. Getting in places. Nice little maple burl handle. Right. Okay, and this big one here is new. I just finished this one last week. This one's actually by Kettle Groven out of North Dakota. And it's a laminated 1095 blade that I put a birch bark handle on. If I can get this to focus. And it's a nice knife. It's a bigger knife for rough work, for taking a lot of wood off and getting it down quick. You know, the handle's big enough, you can put a lot of pressure on your project. It's I'm liking it so far. And the bevels are so wide. You know, you can almost use it to flatten handles. It works really well. You can ride that bevel and just plane it down. Whereas these little knives don't have much surface contact. It's tough to get a flat surface. Okay, and what else I use in my kit? I have a bunch of these templates. I just make them up. Helps me reproduce things, stay consistent, and practice on knife work. Then I don't have to worry about making up spoons as I go. I don't have to be always thinking out patterns. The other thing I keep these in my wallet actually. They're just a nice credit card size. Is spoon carving templates. See if it'll focus. They have multiple bowl shapes and handle shapes. So you can make spoons up on the fly. Consistently. You know, you draw out your pattern, axe it out, and away you go. You don't have to be struggling to carve freehand. It doesn't always turn out well. Of course, the only thing missing from here is my stropping and sharpening kit, but that'll be another video, I think. And that pretty much sums it up. It's not a huge kit, but it's certainly enough tools, and you know, support local makers as well. Like I say, these are Nick Westerman out of the UK, Pinewood Forge with Dell Stubbs, and he's out of the US, as well as Kettle Groven out of the US as well. And it's just a nice little kit. It's handy. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this interesting. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what else you'd like to see. If you'd like to see reviews on these individually, or on the little spoon SDK kit. These are fun. And enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.